Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how can we try out QuickBooks for free. So if you're trying to use QuickBooks or download it for free, we are going to head over with the video. So let's just get started. So head over to any of the browsers available. We can go ahead and use it, and you can search for QuickBooks. And here you would be finding QuickBooks official site. You can look out for it, which should be quickbooks.intuit.com, or you can even look out for QuickBooks on Google Play Store and look out for it. So we're going to go to this one right here, which is quickbooks.intuit.com. And first of all, you can see for business, accountants, pricing, learn and support, etc. Now, if you want to use it for free, QuickBooks offers 30-day trials for online, and you can look out for full paid products permanently for free also without buying it, but do not use any kind of pirated copies, which may be illegal or unsafe. So what you can do is once you go over here, you can start by creating a account login. Click on login and select this option for QuickBooks Online. After that, you can just go over with the process of starting up your account. Here you can use your account. You can create up your account if you are new, or you can use email or user ID in order to log in, and click on the sign in option and sign in into your account and continue. And you need to go ahead with the verification process. I'm just going to use a code and you can continue the process. So here in the section, once you enter up your verification process, you can continue the process and complete it up and log in into your account. And after that is done, you can look out for this option called See Plans and Pricing. Hit here, click on it, and you can look out for the downloads available. So you can select this option for downloading it. You can find different options. We have Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. And you can see that once you go ahead and download it, you will be getting a 30-day free trial for each of them. Even if you purchase Simple or the Advanced one, you will be getting a 30-day free trial. So if you only want to get a free trial, select this option called Start a Free 30-day trial. And once you choose your plan, you can select up your business location and your free trial. And just go over and customize it. So I can customize it, choose your plan, etc. Click on Continue. After you click on Continue here, you can customize it. Provide in your email address in this email address box. After you enter it up, you can just go over and enter your first name and your last name and enter up your password for your account. Once you do so, you can enter up your phone number in the section and click on this option called Start Your 30-day trial. Once you complete it up on the third process, you need to check out. So while checking out, you need to provide in your card details. Although you won't be paying at the moment, you will be paying $0. You have to provide in your card details at the moment. So just go ahead and provide it up your card number, your CVV and everything. And once you do so, you can run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. The trial typically works for 30 days. You can just go ahead and use it and just go ahead and complete the process. And that's it. So therefore, that is it, everybody. You may follow up this process for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.